Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about religion. Religion teaches us manners of living. If we are disciplined, then this is just because of our religion. Wherever the religion is followed by us, it has great significance in our lives. We should follow the teachings of our religion and spend our lives according to our religion. This is the basic right of every human being. Everyone should respect one another's religion. Remember, humanity should always be first, then perform religious obligations. Overindulgence and extremism in everything is bad. Please don't be extremist in the matter of religion. We should love humanity first so that we can respect one another's religion. Life according to me.